When working towards some of your NZIQ certifications like Microsoft Office, Adobe, or Autodesk, you may be required to work inside of the app and practically use the tools. But to do that, you need a piece of software called GMetrix. To get that, head to the NZIQ website, click Login. On this page, before you log in, click this download icon just here. That'll download the GMetrix app. Just make sure you choose the Windows or the Mac version, whichever is applicable to you. It's also important to note to use this, you must have the correct software installed. So Microsoft Office, Adobe, Autodesk, you must have those already on your computer for this to work. Simply click Download and then follow the prompts to install. Once you've got it installed, you can log in again using your Google or Microsoft account, the same account you usually use to log in. And then once you're inside, it should look an awful lot like the web portal you're familiar with if you've used that before. You can scroll down, begin the tests just like usual, but this time when you select the test and you access a practice exam or a quiz, instead of going to push through to the application itself or done in the web browser, it'll ask you to work right within the app itself. Let's take a look what it looks like inside. Once it's loaded up, just like this. So we're working inside of the Word application on our computer. We can move the screen around if we like, check it out, make it full screen, and you can see these are the questions you're asked to do, and we're working inside of Word. Once you're finished, you can either save it, restart it, grade it, jump through different questions if you need to. And so have a look around and see what works for you, and you can access the help as well to see how to answer every question, just so you're really prepared for the practice or for the real exam. It's important to note as well that these practice exams are a little bit harder than the real thing. So if you can pass one of these, you should feel pretty confident you'll do well on the real exam. If you experience any issues with GMetrix, you can head to the settings wheel up the top here. And here you can access various things like resetting the test resources, finding the file where the GMetrix templates folder is, any other sort of local settings. Maybe if you're on a work laptop, they might need to enter proxy settings to use it on a work network, but everything you have is there. If there's any problems that you do have, although, feel free to reach out to us and we can help get you started. Good luck.